Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot find the Call of Duty on your OPPO A57s. So as you can see, I have Google Play Store open and now we can try to find the game. Here write the Call of Duty, but there's no real results that we're looking for. And to fix that issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, inside family and parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games and enter your PIN code. Click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now we can go back. Here try to find the game again, and it should be on the top, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.